All right, guys, welcome to another RDB episode. We have three awesome things to talk about today. We have a SVJ that was burnt under the sun come in, and we're going to be doing a red wrap on it. We have a Maybach that is torn apart. This one was that matte silver famous one. We're making that another creation. You guys will see that. And then we also have another Urus Performante Widebody. This is 2 of 3 that we're going to show you guys in the next few episodes. This one is all gloss black, looks nice. And take it from here, Luis.
Oh my God. The only thing what I want to say is don't forget to subscribe. If you like the channel, just subscribe and like. And we'll see you later.
Did
that really scare you?
It's bad. It's really loud.
Loud.
Yeah, that's the nicest Portofino sound you're gonna hear. But we just tuned it, so it's got a massive power upgrade. It has racing downpipes, off-road use only, and an X-pipe, and it's still working with the factory valves, so clean. This is gonna get about 85 horsepower easy, and it sounds crazy. We did a little bit of an aggressive tune, so it has that backfire noise. But yeah. This car is gorgeous in red. I never thought I would like the Portofino, but I mean, red on tan, louder. It's a pretty cool car.
It's our special Mr. Hank's car. Hank, you guys know Hank, photographer. Yeah, just walk right through. Good job. Nice to meet you, PPG. So this car has a fuel pump problem. Hank keeps getting stuck on the road. I don't understand. You know, this guy makes a lot of money and he can't afford to put in a decent fuel pump. So this time, we're helping him with an original pump. Javier's doing it right now. We're gonna drop the tank. Obviously, you gotta take the exhaust system out to drop the tank on this car. So that's what we're doing. We're almost there. Hank needs his car back to get back and forth to work. That's what we're doing. So we're putting in an original fuel pump in here. Car will be ready. Hank, you owe us.
Come on.
Hank. Sorry.
You gotta order a new one now.
Here you go, Hanky. Nice and brand new and shiny. Where? All right, Javik. There you go. All right. Merry Christmas, Hank. Now you gotta work for 6 months for free.
Guys, we have this lovely Maybach S680 behind me right here. This vehicle, actually, we wrapped it and made it all silver maybe a year ago, something like that. We did the RDB monoblock wheels as well, which are extremely popular for us, one of my favorite wheels. The entire car has been, what we call it, frosted. Everything, even the emblems, the front grille, the lower grills, everything has been made into the satin silver you guys see. The car actually is a wrap, but all the emblems, the grills, all that stuff is painted. This customer drove it, enjoyed it, and now he wants to go on a black and chrome theme. So we're going to be ripping the wrap off, which you will see on the other side of the car. It's pretty much black already because we ripped it off, but we still have to take all this off. All the emblems are going to be trashed, unfortunately, because they're painted already once and you can't remove them and paint them and put them back on. So we need new emblems, which we're gonna also paint black when we get them. The wheels are gonna go out to get chromed. He wants chrome wheels. We're gonna have to buy him a new front grille because he wants the front grille in chrome. And the front grille, we painted it silver. So unfortunately, we can't get it back to go to chrome. We could have done black, but he wants to do chrome. So we're gonna buy a grille. But other than that, that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a blacked out with chrome grille, chrome RDB monoblock wheels, Maybach S680. A lot of people are gonna say, why would you do that? I agree, I like the silver, but you know, the customer had the car for a year and he wants to change it up. It doesn't cost too much to do it. Why not?
All right, the truth has come, Mr. Hank. Let's see if this new fuel pump starts up the car. And if it doesn't, I'm towing this shit out of here. Immediately. Here we go. Javier, ready? I'm scared. Oh, fuck. The battery's fucking dead. Fuck, man. God damn it, Javier. Javik? We were trying to see if it works, the pump. But, no, the battery's dead. We can get rid of this car once and for all. Hank, you better sign that contract. 7 years, you can't work anywhere else besides here for free. If this shit works.
All right, guys, we got a S-Class Mercedes-Benz right here. And unfortunately, I don't know the whole story, but the entire driver's side is wrecked. Starting with the fender, the door, back of the door, the rear door, which has a huge gash, and even back there. So I'm not sure what happened here, but there's a pretty heavy damaged car, and we're gonna have to change everything on this side, of course. It's going through insurance. We do insurance here with any company, so get us your claims and cars. You're gonna get your car back faster, better quality than anywhere else. I don't miss Aventadors with exhaust systems. They're very loud. This is a beautiful black Nero SVJ right here. Belongs to one of our good friends, clients. Been doing a lot of cool cars for him. Actually the same customer as the 812 that was black. We wrapped it red. We're actually doing the same thing to this. This is gonna be also wrapped in the gloss Corsa red color. So no more black. We're gonna have to also do a lot of clear bra work on the carbon fiber. This customer went somewhere else previously and bought a Novatec kit all around the car. The thing is, Novatec, the kit comes only in gloss carbon fiber, and they went ahead and just installed it like that. So there's gloss carbon fiber in a few areas like the side skirts, this piece, front lip, some other various things. And the factory came with matte carbon fiber. So this doesn't match this. He wants to, instead of matching the gloss to satin, we're gonna actually make the satin to gloss. He wants to do a gloss all combination. He likes everything shiny. So we're gonna be doing that. We also have a 1016 hood in carbon fiber that we're gonna wrap as well and put on there. But yeah, this is a gorgeous car with wheels, suspension already, exhaust, body kit, everything. This car also, you guys saw in a previous episode, we had brought it in from the dealer and the wrap was entirely burnt off. The dealer removed the wrap now, so that's what you see. But stay tuned for the makeover.
You got fans.
Hey, vienen desde bien lejos, man. Aquí y allá también. Ven para acá.
Say what's up.
Yeah.
It's great to be in the video.
Yeah.
It's great.
It's awesome.
República Checa, papá. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, thank you
Nice
so
to meet
much.
you.
It was really good to see you.
Yeah. So
Keep up the good work.
if you have a time, come back again.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Man, it's very loud in here today. Under me we have the RDB signature wheels in 24-inch 3-piece. This has the deep lip, so essentially you get this crazy lip. This is the rear wheel, and next to that is actually the front wheel. Even the front wheel you get a nice lip, but also not only the lip, the face is concave. So oftentimes you will see, to get that deep lip, they're not able to do a concave face. So this is concave face and a deep lip. Also a step lip, of course, not that traditional one-step lip. This has the 2 steps. So really nice looking wheel. This is one of our most famous designs. This has been copied by every single wheel manufacturer out there, and you guys already know that. But we're gonna be throwing this on the rarest Urus in the world. Alright guys, standing in front of this Urus Widebody complete. We do a lot of Urus Widebody, you guys already know that, so it's kind of repetitive, but we really have to show you what we do here. And all of them are slightly different. Sorry, Sunset Boulevard is crazy, it's Friday night. But yeah, this Urus actually, like I said, is a 1 of 40 in the world Urus. This is modeled, it has the name of the SC V12, which is that race car from Lamborghini. You have to order that car to get this Urus. There's only 40 of those cars too, that's why there's 40 of these. There's only, I believe, 6 in the USA. So, only way you're gonna tell the difference from the outside is these white lines. There's white lines running throughout the car, and then the interior has the Essenza V12 logo on the glove box, and on the door sills they light up as well. That's literally the only thing about it. But we wide-bodied it. I could promise you this is the only version of this Urus in the world that is wide-bodied. It also has the RDB signature wheels in 24-inch. They are perfect. They are the best wheels for this car by far. Stance, fitment, no spacers. If you guys know Urus or you have a Urus wide body, I promise you your fitment is not like this, or you have big spacers on there. So this has a lot going on. It has been fully PPF clear brought, so full clear brought on this puppy. There's no area that has no PPF, so completely covered up. Carbon fiber exposed everywhere, also PPF'd, and that's it. So really nice Urus. We're actually going to drive this to the customer's house, I believe about an hour and a half away, and drop it off to him because he's very excited and he can't wait.
Hey guys, I enjoy my dinner right now. It's almost 6 o'clock. You see everybody's kind of crazy. Everybody wants to go home. Most of the employers, they already go. But I am the last one to leave this place sometimes. But have a nice weekend.
What the fuck?
Why?
Yeah. It's called a the Gronos edition.
Yeah, well, it's a Mansory.
Yeah, definitely Mansory.
So it's
The
a
wheels you can tell, but
2-door.
With
So it's a 2-seater 2-door? I can't even tell.
yeah, it's a 2.
So that's, I mean, it's, the other one is cool. Remember we talked about the refined marquee one where it's a
yeah.
G-Wagon that they basically, it has a rear door, but it opens suicide and it's a smaller door. It's convertible, has a working convertible top. This doesn't. And that thing's crazy. They're only going to make like 20 of them. And I spoke to the owner of that company and they're going to be able to, you know, we could send them a car, they'll do it and send them back. So if anybody's interested in doing any crazy G-Wagons, 2-doors, convertibles, whatever, you hit us up.
Don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.